Bonafide Hustler here, and today I'm actually going to discuss with you guys an eBay fail. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of my office. Today I experienced a pretty good eBay fail. I wanted to share it with you guys and gals. If you're watching my channel for the very first time, make sure you hit the subscribe button. What I do on a part-time basis, typically I find used goods at thrift stores and garage sales, yard sales, things like that. I put these items on eBay, Amazon, Craigslist, my antique booth, Facebook Marketplace, and other consignment avenues in town. That's what I do, so make sure you subscribe down below. Okay, so the item that we're gonna talk about is a bag, actually, that I picked up for $9.73, and I ended up selling it for around $68 on eBay. It was a bag that looked kind of like this. It's a shoulder bag, Patagonia. It was in okay condition, everything like that, and I sold it back in January. So yesterday I get a message from the buyer, right? And the buyer's like, hey, and in fact, here's a message right here, but it basically is like, hey, are you the original owner of this bag? If so, I found something of importance in there or of value, and I would like to get it to its rightful owner. And after I read that, I couldn't stop thinking, like, what is this thing that this person's talking about, you know? I even put this stuff in the green room as well, going, dang it, you know, like, I don't know what to do from this point forward. What is this thing that this person found in one of the pockets? When I buy bags and I resell them, I typically go through every single pocket, but sometimes bags have secret pockets in them, you know. Maybe this one had something that I just missed. Camera bags, for example, the big camera backpacks sometimes have pockets in really weird locations, even underneath the bag. So sometimes things can get missed. This is definitely like my biggest bag fail. It's like a small fail, but anyways, so the curiosity was like, like what is it? But I couldn't ask, or I couldn't say send it back to me. I couldn't really say like send back whatever it is to me, because what if he says, you know, well, if you can identify it, or if you can tell me what it is, then I'll send it to you. I was thinking it's either money or it's jewelry, right? Something like that. And so I messaged him back yesterday saying, I thrifted the bag, and you know, whatever's in it, you can have it. I still want to know what's in the bag though, you know? So anyways, I updated the green room with all this information. This is a private Facebook group that I run behind the scenes. So I updated the green room, and people in there like, I wonder what it was. Like, man, it'd be really cool if we knew what it was. And this guy, Corey S, was like, it'd be really sweet if you messaged him back, like, and just to see what it was or something like that. So today, a day later, I was like, you know what? Like, I want to know what it is. Like, I want to know. And I messaged the person and I go, all right, you know, I thrifted the bag. Whatever's in there is yours. Like, I'm just out of pure curiosity, like what was it? And the person got back to me and said it was this right here, his actual message. And so it was all crinkled up, and he probably found it months later, but 40 bucks, like $40 in a bag that I missed. So that's a huge eBay fail. That kind of sucks. I guess it's an eBay win for that guy. It's a huge eBay fail for me, because I bought the thing for $9.73. You know, I sold it for about 68 bucks. And that just sucks. I'm glad it wasn't like a diamond ring or something gold, you know, something like that. Then I'd be like, okay, that's a lot of return, but still a fail any way you look at it. You know, I should have looked in every single pocket. But I'm making this video for two reasons. One is, you know, be aware. So when you're going through bags and stuff like that, like check every single pocket, right? Don't be a dumb little bona fide hustler like I was. Number two is I kind of want to know what's the, you know, best thing that you found in one of your flips out there. Maybe a bag, pair of jeans, whatever. What's the best thing you found out there? Or maybe what's the best eBay fail, maybe after the fact that you found out that maybe you didn't check the pockets and, you know, you missed out on something. Like, what are those things? I want to know what the best thing that you found out there in a pocket or in some secret compartment. Let me know down below. If you're also interested in how to make money on bags, you can go check out my bag guide. It's down below. I put a small discount for anyone that's watching this show up to this point. So if you're interested in that kind of money, then make sure to pick that thing up. The link is down below. There's a deal on there, a small deal. But either way, I should probably do a better job checking all the pockets in bags, because who knows what I have missed. I know that the best thing that I found, or the most valuable thing that I did find in a bag, was some money and a checkbook. But the problem was the checkbook had the address of the person. So I looked the person up on Facebook and everything like that, returned the money and returned the checkbook. So, you know, that was good karma. I wish I could have kept it all. If that checkbook wasn't there, then I definitely would have had that money, you know. And it was around like $70-something or something like that. But there was also a checkbook, so, anyways, Let me know down below. I'm curious to see your comments. Take it easy. Goodbye.